closely. Okay. Throw the ball.
Max, go get it.
He shoots. He's going to roll the ball. Oh, he kicked the ball. Kick the ball. Ethan, are you going to throw it? Oh, you're in slow motion. That's very cool. But Maxie's already done playing now because you're in slow motion.
Oh, you want to talk to Maxwell Kaufman? Okay, here he is.
They call me in
Who are you talking to?
slow motion.
I did, honey, but...
Max.
Hello. Oh, yeah. Here, Max, it's Mama. She wants to talk to you.
Oh, he's getting the ball. Are you going to throw the ball? Or are you going to kick the ball? Throw the ball. Go get the ball. Ethan.
Let's go get it.
Or are you playing fetch with him? Are you going to throw the ball? Kick the ball. Oh, here comes the play, instant replay in slow motion. And he caught it. And now fast forward. Okay, now stand up. I don't know what to say. Kick it! Yay!
Ethan, tell Mama how we saw the little crabs.
Here he comes, Ethan. Max.
Oh my gosh.
Max, be nice to the plant. I got that on camera. I got that on camera, Nick. Be nice to the plant. Okay, honey, no more of that. You're going to break the ball. You guys should give each other a kiss. Max, give Ethan... Hold on, no, I want him to listen to me. Max, Max. His ears are on the wrong... No, they're not. Max, give Ethan a kiss. Give Ethan a kiss. Give Ethan a kiss. Oh, he's not interested. You're not going to give Ethan... What about Mama? Give Mama a kiss. He doesn't want to. God, Ethan. This is what happens when you do nothing on Saturday. Max is going in circles and Ethan's rolling on the floor going, okay. I got all of it. Ooh, he kicked it. Ethan's gonna be stuck in slow motion. Maxie's practicing his sumo. Uh-huh.
Hey, you want WrestleMania?
Ooh, WrestleMania. I only have 2 minutes left. Make sure he stop when he doesn't like it. Be careful. Can't get up. I'm trying to get up for baby. Aw, you guys cuddling?
Look at that.
Of course I did. I have 1 minute and 20 seconds left. We'll get Dada. Hey, lazy Saturday. Oh, oh my God! We have a choke out in progress. That was Ethan. His tushy's on Ethan's head. Ethan was being choked. Be careful, honey.
All right. All right.
Okay, we're gonna send this to Grandma and Grandpa. Okay, buddy. Say love you.
Love you.
Okay, Maxie doesn't have ears on. Say hi.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.